I can't see nothing. I cannot see.
Honey.
First off, let me calm down to my senses. 'Cause your beauty got me climbing over the fences. Yeah. It's true, ain't you know?
Ladies, it is Chad here, and today I'm coming to you with my glasses on because I can't see, child. I can't see, child. I can't see. But hopefully you can see me with this new wig and unit that I made. Ladies, I'm sorry if you were waiting on another synthetic wig review, but this is a human hair review this time. I've been spoiling all my ladies that love synthetic wigs. I had to come and give the ladies something for the human hair. This hair is from Ali Grace. It is the Brazilian straight hair. And it is 3 bundles of Brazilian straight, and it is a 13x4 free part ear-to-ear lace frontal. I usually use 2.5 bundles, but I tried to make it work and just put all 3 in. I did also use the frontal as well. I did have to cut and adjust the sides to my ears, but that was perfectly fine for me. That is what I ordered. I will make sure that I put the link down below. Again, this is straight Brazilian hair. It is very, very shiny, as you can see. I didn't put any product on it. What I can do is get my flat irons, my wand curlers, and my big barrel curls and let you all see how it curls for me. It is very lightweight. Here are the ends. The ends are a bit thin, but that's okay for me. Depending on the look that I'm going for, I don't always want it to be completely like super huge and thick, just because I like natural type of hairstyles. It does hold a lot of body, and I like it for the amount that it is. It's very affordable. As far as shedding, I haven't gotten any shedding. As far as tangling, I have a little tangling in the back nape area, but it's not bad at all, guys. I have an 18, 16, 14 inch and a 12 inch closure. I don't prefer long ass hair. When it comes down to, if I want to get inches like that, I'm not going to spend a lot of money on that because I'm not going to wear it a lot. I'm going to get a synthetic wig like that, you know, for an occasion, a concert, something to be extra. But when it's like a lot of inches, maybe past like 24 to 26 inches, I'm not fooling with it whatsoever. I think this is a great length. I think it's a great length for the type of wear and the type of style that I'm rocking. I'm sorry, guys, my boobs is all in the camera today, hun. So here is where it comes to. It did come in this color, which is jet black, but of course you can bleach and dye it. This channel is literally about finding the best hair possible at affordable prices. I want to spend a lot of money on things that I consistently change. I consistently change my hair. Why not like bring you all great products to where you could look bomb on a budget? Like, that is exactly what I'm about. People are typically a little paranoid about getting and ordering from AliExpress, and I understand it's kind of like a hit or miss, but Ali Grace is very popular. There's a lot of reviews on Ali Grace besides my review. This is my initial review, so I will do an update. This was not sponsored. I did buy this hair with my own coins, honey, so I'm going to be honest with you and give you my honest opinion about this hair. Here's the hair. So it comes here. So there's the back. So yeah, like I said, this is Ali Grace. This is my initial review on this hair. So far, it's good. I didn't have any problems with sewing it down to the cap. I didn't have any problems with curling it whatsoever. I haven't put any spritz or any type of styling gel or anything like that in it. I just don't believe in doing that type of stuff with the longevity of the hair. Let me see if I can get my curler so you all can see how this hair curls, and then I'm gonna go and get out y'all's way. Give me a second. Let me put my glasses on with a flat iron. Let's see how this works. And this is an old GVP flat iron, y'all, from Sally's. It's burnt up. You hear me? Burnt up. So it straightens pretty well, as you can see. Here is my wand curlers. Red by Kiss. I don't know where I got these from. Walmart maybe, somewhere, I don't know. All right, letting the wand curler go. And baby, it's tight up there. There's the wand curl. That's how it looks, guys. There's the wand curl, guys. Can you see? So it holds up very, very nicely. That's how she curls.
That's how she curls, girls. That's how she curls, curls. That's how she curls, girls. That's how she curls. That's how she curls, girls. That's how she curls, curls. That's how she curls, girls. Ah!
My jumbo curlers. Let's do that. And again, ladies, I'm using and curling my hair without any products in it. When I get hair, I want to know how it curls. I don't care. I want to know about the shedding. I want to know about if the hair is gonna fall out and be all over the place. Is it going to look shaggy? Is it going to color correct? So let's go up here and let's use these big barrels. The big barrels. Yeah, I ain't used barrels in so long. I don't even know how to curl my hair with these things. I usually curl my hair with the flat iron. So that is, girl, I curl my hair with a big curler. I'm country, y'all gotta excuse me. But this right here, see ladies, that is with the barrel curl. So it curls, it straightens, it can be wanded, all that good old great stuff. Okay, when I ordered it, it took maybe 3 to 5 days to get here. So I will place the link down below to where you can purchase this hair. I will also place the link down below to the actual site, just in case you don't want the straight hair. You may want another type of hair that they have, regardless of the fact they have you. Like I said, it's very popular on YouTube with Allie Grace, and so I just decided to post my opinion and my initial reaction to this hair and my initial process of how I look at hair and the things that I like to do to see how good it is. I will update you if there's anything that changes. So if honey, in a couple of weeks this thing get matted up, I'm gonna come back and tell you, girl, it matted up. If it wasn't able to dye properly, you'll be able to see that it didn't dye properly. I will be 100% honest with you. I don't want you to start using your hard-earned money on products that aren't worth it. So tell me how you like this hair. Do you have this hair? Have you ever ordered from Allie Grace before? If so, what type of hair did you get? What color did you dye it? Did it work out for you? Did you have any shedding? What's your experience? Please comment down below so we can have a full-on conversation and make sure that we are getting the best hair as possible. In the meantime, make sure you take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to come back and see me. Pinky promise, I will try to do the same. And I love you. Make sure you share this video so we can tell everyone that we love wigs or making wigs. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you are aware of all the awesome and amazing things that I have in store for you. All right, guys. I gotta go because my glasses are fogging up due to all this heat. See ya. Mwah.